Hello everyone. Quotes about life presented by Tariq Jameel of Wasal. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. The truth is, you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Life is a crazy ride, and nothing is guaranteed. The whole secret of life is to be interested in one thing profoundly and in 1,000 things well. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them, that only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. You have enemies? Good. That means you've stood up for something, sometime in your life. When I stand before God at the end of my life, I would hope that I would not have a single bit of talent left, and could say, I used everything you gave me. We must be willing to let go of the life we have planned, so as to have the life that is waiting for us. Life is short, and we have never too much time for gladdening the hearts of those who are traveling the dark journey with us. Oh, be swift to love, make haste to be kind. You're only here for a short visit. Don't hurry, don't worry, and be sure to smell the flowers along the way. As a well-spent day brings happy sleep, so life well spent brings happy death. If you live long enough, you'll make mistakes. But if you learn from them, you'll be a better person. It's how you handle adversity, not how it affects you. The main thing is never quit, never quit, never quit. Life is a mirror and will reflect back to the thinker what he thinks into it. I arise in the morning torn between a desire to improve the world and a desire to enjoy the world. This makes it hard to plan the day. I follow 3 rules. Do the right thing, do the best you can, and always show people you care. It's not the load that breaks you down, it's the way you carry it. Winners embrace hard work. They love the discipline of it, the trade-off they're making to win. Losers, on the other hand, see it as punishment. And that's the difference. If what you did yesterday seems big, you haven't done anything today. Nothing on this earth is standing still. It's either growing or it's dying. No matter if it's a tree or a human being. Don't run if you can walk, don't walk if you can stand, don't stand if you can sit. Don't sit if you can lie down. Thanks you for watching, take care.